The first equation is y is equal to 6x plus 2. And since this equation y is equal to 6x plus 2 is already written in slope-intercept form, then we already know what the slope is. We know slope is equal to m. And so in this case, m is equal to 6, or the slope is equal to 6. For the second equation, 18x minus 3y is equal to 15. This equation is not in slope-intercept form. As you can see, slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. However, this equation here is in standard form. Standard form is as easy as a, b, and c. And so a will be the coefficient of the x variable, and 3 or minus 3 will be the coefficient of the y variable, and c is the constant of 15. So this equation here is written in standard form. What we're going to do is we are going to convert 18x minus 3y is equal to 15 into slope-intercept form. So when converting a linear equation that is in standard form into slope-intercept form, we are simply solving for y. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the y variable on one side by itself, and then whatever is on the right side after we do that will be what y is equal to. So first, since we have positive 18x here, we're going to subtract 18x from both sides of the equation. Once we do that, we're going to be left with minus 3y is equal to minus 18x plus 15. We're not done yet because we're not solving for negative 3y. We're solving for y. So in order for us to get y by itself, we would have to divide both sides by negative 3. So negative 3y divided by negative 3 will be y. Negative 18x divided by negative 3 will be 6x. And positive 15 divided by negative 3 is negative 5. Once we convert the equation 18x minus 3y is equal to 15 into slope-intercept form, we get y is equal to 6x minus 5. And since it is in slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b, that tells us that the slope is equal to 6. When comparing both equations, the first equation being y is equal to 6x plus 2, and the second equation converted from standard form into slope-intercept form is y is equal to 6x minus 5. Both equations in slope-intercept form have a slope of 6. And since both slopes are equal to 6, that means that the two lines are parallel to one another.